Number 1. 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme BROUGHAM, $2,000, North Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme BROUGHAM is a classic late 1970s American luxury coupe offered for $2,000 in North Las Vegas, Nevada. It is described as a one-owner, 100% original and complete car with 130,150 miles and a clean title. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, the car reportedly runs, but has not been started for more than 10 years, so it will need to be towed and mechanically revived. Because everything is said to be complete and original, it could be a solid restoration or preservation project. The Cutlass was one of the best-selling cars in the United States during this era, known for comfort and classic American styling. Number 2. 1966 Chevrolet 2 Nova, $4,000, Nampa, Idaho. This 1966 Chevrolet 2 Nova sedan is listed for $4,000 in Nampa, Idaho, and appears to be a mostly original example with useful recent maintenance. It retains its original 194 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission with 60,000 miles and a clean title. The seller has replaced many mechanical components including brake parts, fuel pump, water pump, wiring harness, and distributor, and the carburetor has been rebuilt. Much of the glass appears original, and the seller kept all removed parts. The Nova's simple design and strong aftermarket support make it a great beginner classic, restoration candidate, or commuter project. Number 3. 1986 Mercury Capri RSS, $2,900, Federal Way, Washington. Offered for $2,900 in Federal Way, Washington, this 1986 Mercury Capri RSS is a sporty hatchback closely related to the Ford Mustang. It features a 5.0-liter V8 engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, 97,000 miles, and a clean title. The car runs and drives, with a red exterior and deluxe interior reportedly in good condition. Only minor cosmetic work, such as clear coat on the hood, is mentioned. Cars like the Capri RS were part of the affordable performance market in the 1980s, and today they appeal to enthusiasts looking for lightweight V8 performance classics. Number 4. 1981 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $1,200, Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1981 Oldsmobile Cutlass project is priced at $1,200 in Flagstaff, Arizona. It is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, but the car does not currently run and the odometer is broken. The vehicle also has no ignition key and will need to be towed from the property in Sanders, Arizona, though it does come with a clean title. Early 1980s Cutlass models remain popular platforms for restoration, custom builds, or lowrider projects, thanks to their classic rear-wheel drive layout. Number 5. 1955 Oldsmobile Rocket 88 Holiday, $4,000, Dana Point, California. The 1955 Oldsmobile Rocket 88 Holiday is a classic mid-1950s sedan listed for $4,000 in Dana Point, California. It is powered by a 324 cubic inch Rocket V8 engine, producing about 202 horsepower with an automatic transmission and 83,000 miles. The car needs paint and a new interior, but the seller says all parts are included. The vehicle currently does not have a title, making it a potential restoration project for classic car enthusiasts. Number 6. 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme BROUGHAM, $2,500, West Pasco, Washington. This 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme BROUGHAM is listed for $2,500 in West Pasco, Washington. It is powered by a 4.3-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission, showing 156,563 miles and a clean title. The car runs and drives well, though it may flood slightly when restarting a warm engine. It includes power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. although the air conditioning needs recharge. With some cosmetic attention, such as a missing headliner, this Cutlass could make a comfortable classic cruiser. Number 7, 1984 Chevrolet Corvette, $8,500, Bunch, Oklahoma. This 1984 Chevrolet Corvette represents the first year of the fourth-generation Corvette and is listed for $8,500 in Bunch, Oklahoma. It features a 350 cubic inch Crossfire injection V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. With 100,643 miles and a clean title, the seller reports the car runs and drives well. Early fourth-generation Corvettes introduced improved handling and modern styling, and today they offer an affordable entry point into classic Corvette ownership. Number 8, 1970 Ford Galaxie 500, $3,800, Hacienda Heights, California. This 1970 Ford Galaxie 500 is a classic full-size American sedan, offered for $3,800 in Hacienda Heights, California. It is equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, with 54,000 miles and a clean title. The seller states the engine runs smoothly, the transmission shifts properly, and the engine does not burn oil. Known for comfort and durability, Galaxie models are popular among enthusiasts looking for large vintage American cruisers or restoration projects. Number 9, 1983 Oldsmobile Delta 88 ROYALE BROUGHAM, $10,000, Sacramento, California. This 1983 Oldsmobile Delta 88 ROYALE BROUGHAM is offered for $10,000 in Sacramento, California. It features a 5.0-liter V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission and shows 76,200 miles, though the odometer has rolled over. The car runs great and has a clean title, and it rides on new Vogue tires. The Delta 88 was known for its smooth ride, plush velour interior, and traditional American luxury, making it an appealing choice for collectors who appreciate classic full-size comfort. Number 10, 1970 American Motors Javelin SST, $7,500, Snohomish, Washington. This 1970 American Motors Javelin SST is listed for $7,500 in Snohomish, Washington. It is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor paired with a 727 automatic transmission with 126,000 miles and a clean title. The engine has been rebuilt, but the car was parked due to an electrical issue. Most of the original paint remains, and the car has been stored indoors. As a distinctive muscle car from American Motors, the Javelin offers collectors a less common alternative to Mustang or Camaro models.